within 2 seconds, the side of my house was gone. So I started waking people up saying, come on, get up, we being hit. I ran in the room where my granddaughter was and took shield over her because the house was going so fast. And tried to get into the basement. We couldn't get in the basement, so we just shielded up until it was over. And we finally got into the basement after that. But the tornado was over. We were being hit with bricks, the roof. It was a terrifying moment for me. Like, scared. I was really scared. I'm still scared. So.
You got this.
We count our blessings because we're awful lucky. If this would have happened during the day, even though we have procedures in place for people to go for safe places for a tornado, I still know that there would have been collateral damage here. Yeah, we're very lucky. It looks like they got lifted and thrown around. And then we've also figured that there's 2 vehicles back behind you that were about 4 spots over this way that were thrown up on top of this, what is now my ex-service department and now rubbish.